I'm Omar Cruz, founder and CEO of Stash. We provide a claims management solution for healthcare industry, specifically hospitals and insurance companies. I don't have a CFO for the longest time, and I wanted to do something different. One of the things that I would say, not in the area where I'm best capable, would be in the area of finance. So when I was doing Stash early on, I had very challenging time to come up with business models. I don't know anything about how do you make money in software in the healthcare industry. Is not adapting to technology at the time. So for me to craft and to make a business model reliable or trustworthy that investors can look at, it's something very hard. I wanted somebody who can really speak numbers. Because for me, I'm more into the technology part, sometimes operations, solving problems. But the finance is something that I love to delegate to somebody who's really good at it. In the area of finance, we couldn't get the right financial reports, or I would say oversight and financial management through our operations, because I think we wanted to raise money at some point at the time. We wanted to look into how we can expand the team. I couldn't get that confidence to the reports being fed to me. So I knew for a fact that I would need somebody with the caliber of Jay to look into the books and see if there's any mistakes, because that's really important, especially now that I've been one of the clients of OneCFO for I think more than 1 year now. No, right now we are in a better position to actually understand the value of the company. There were some instances where I was asked to acquire the company with super local offer because the books are a mess and they're undervaluing the company. And I, as a founder, I know my value, I know my worth, but I couldn't defend it properly because the books are a mess. I needed somebody like Jay and OneCFO services to fix the books. One of the things that immediately comes to mind would be confidence of the value that we have, because before we don't know our right value and we couldn't defend it. So with Jay's help, I'm now more confident to approach potential partners, potential investors, or other companies, knowing what our value is, and then also knowing how to present our business in a financial term. That when we present these numbers to an outsider, we know we can answer those things and we can defend it. Now, when I talk to potential investors, honestly, there's a certain level of dignity that I don't have before because I'm not confident with the numbers. And now we're in the cusp of fundraising. We're going through the process of checking how can we expand the pricing, what's the business model, who can we approach, what else can we do in the market. There's a sense of, I would say, stability that my team feels because they know that there's a natural CFO managing the finance part of the company. Because before, there were times like, okay, I overspent, did some things, shot ourselves in the foot. Those kinds of mistakes. And I think now we're a bit more careful, but not too careful that we're not growing. I had investors, my shareholders, who are seasoned CFOs. And having someone like Jay gives them also confidence and, I would say, comfortable level that they can run to the numbers themselves and talk like CFOs. It brings more energy to the company and of course to me as a founder. And they trust more me because there's somebody who's assisting us in handling our finances. Confidence, I think that's the word that I can say that the effect of Jay at OneCFO brings.